You got flight controls.
Alright.
I'm going to give you a simulated engine out here. We'll say you just lost your engine.
Chesapeake traffic 7-4 uniform, taxiing to runway 23.
We'll cut the nav and the strobe lights on, and we're ready to go.
Can I hand that to you?
Yep.
Great. All right. All clear. Looking good. Let's do this.
How's it going, everyone? I'm Nathan Foster. In this lesson, we go over some emergency procedures and slow flight. Currently, I'm documenting my flight journey towards eventually becoming a flight instructor, missionary pilot, and disaster relief pilot. If you would like to support my mission, I'll have a link in the description with more information. Also, if a full-length video is more your speed, I have a link to an unedited version of this lesson in the description.
All right, mixture full rich, throttle full.
Yep, easy on the brakes.
Yep, there we go.
There you go.
And rotate.
A little more pull. There you go. And then you're looking for 78. You got flight controls.
All right.
I'm going to give you a simulated engine out here. We'll say you just lost your engine.
Okay.
We'll go through the ABCs. So airspeed 65. So you can trim for 65. Best field B. Pick somewhere to land.
Okay. To the right, that second section.
Okay. And then C, checklist. So that whatever you just walked me through, we'll do it practically. Mixture's rich.
Mixture's rich.
Fuel's on both. Make sure you got fuel.
Both. Yep.
Carb heat's on.
Yep.
And if that doesn't fix it, we try to prime and restart.
Okay.
If that doesn't work, then you go to the next checklist.
Take it off runway 23, staying in the pattern.
Which is landing without engine power, so we've completely lost.
Airspeed 65, which I'm a little bit above.
Yep.
Seatbelts on, mixture, idle, cut off. Okay.
Yep, try to get that best glide, because that's really going to kill your altitude.
Right, okay. Fuel selector off, ignition off, flaps 20 to 30.
Yep, so we won't do that, but the last thing you're going to do is put the flaps in, cut the master off. We're going to open the doors. So we're committed to land at this point.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and go around.
All right.
Full throttle. But you can see this thing will glide, you know. We would have easily made that field.
Yeah.
Basically what you're doing with that checklist is you're checking the fuel, make sure that you didn't accidentally cut it off. You're checking your gauges, trying to restart. If it restarts, then we're going to try to make it back to the airport. No restart, we're going to land. We're committed. What would you do if you lost your elevator? The line that controls the elevator?
I have no idea.
So it's kind of a tricky thing. You're going to fly with the throttle and a trim.
Okay.
And 3 miles to the east.
Very difficult, but that's a procedure, and it's in the POH. That one's not in the checklist.
Chesapeake traffic, November 888 Lima uniform, clearly active, runway 23, Chesapeake.
Maybe a little more throttle. A little more throttle to help you cushion that descent. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fighting a little something. This isn't all me.
Chesapeake traffic, Cessna 289 on final runway 23.
A little more pitch. Pitch and power for.
There we go.
702, right downwind, 23,
Don't let it come up. Don't let that nose come up.
Okay,
keep fighting, keep fighting. There you go, now start milking the throttle out.
Okay.
Throttle out, throttle out.
Throttle out.
And then right about here, start bleeding the airspeed off.
Okay.
Nice and easy. Real nice, small corrections.
Okay.
A little more back. A little more. Good, hold this, hold it. Alright, I got flight controls.
Alright, you have controls.
If you made it this far into the video, your rock star. Again, if you would like to support my goal of becoming a missionary pilot, I have a link in the description. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Keep being awesome. Love ya. Nathan out.